So here we are. It's a 2009 Kia Spectra5. My headlight bulbs just went out, the low beams itself. So I will be doing just a generic LED headlights. It's a pretty easy swap, so anybody can really do it. But to get you started, you will see this twist off cap. All you gotta do is turn it clockwise, and you'll hear that pop, and it'll expose the headlight bulb itself. It'll be inside. You'll have your plug. Obviously you had to unplug it, so see if I can get it to zoom for you. And that's what it looks like. It will have this little lever deal. Let me see if I can get to it. Just kind of releases the old bulb. It's just a little lock, so it's nothing that would really obstruct you from taking off the headlight. It's nothing but a locking retaining clip. But we'll get that out, and once I swap it, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, this is what the new LED bulbs look like. It's a low beam and high beam combination. Just kind of be careful taking it off. Everything will just plug and play. So pretty much mount it the same way you took the old ones off. And that's really all there is to it. I have everything mounted. So you can see that retaining clip just needs to lock back in right there in the bottom, and that'll hold the LED bulb itself. Once you get that done, plug everything in, and that's really all there is to it. One thing I will say is it's pretty nice to have this smaller LED, because you can actually put back your cover back on. I'm just trying to see if I can get it in there. I guess I gotta cut a hole. I thought it'll fit, so I will cut a hole in the middle right here just to kind of let the fan breathe a little bit, but it won't be no big deal. That should be pretty easy. I will do that and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what I had to do to mine. For the cover, I just kind of drilled a hole lined up to the fan of the LED itself, that way it can breathe, because I didn't want it to overheat if this thing is closed all the way, so I just kind of drilled a quick hole. You don't have to go too big, as long as the LED can breathe, and it should be all good to go after that. Here's a very quick test. Parking light. Overall, these LEDs are pretty bright, so I'm definitely satisfied. This is the low beams, and that is the high beams. Low beams, high beam. Parking lights on. Overall, I'm definitely satisfied.